8 signs your dog might not be that into you. Recognizing that a dog is not particularly bonded to you requires attention to subtle behavior cues and context, because what looks like indifference can be stress, pain, or simply personality. Below are 8 clear signs to watch for and what they typically mean. Dogs communicate with body language and consistency, so a pattern of the following behaviors is more meaningful than a single instance. I will describe each sign, explain why it matters, and give a concise interpretation so you can distinguish dislike from fear, illness, or temperament. Sign 1. The dog regularly avoids eye contact, turns its head, or deliberately looks away when you try to interact. Sign 2. The dog shows little or no enthusiasm when you enter the home and does not greet you with tail wagging or bright posture. Avoiding eye contact and turning away are classic calming signals that mean the dog does not want to engage, and low greeting intensity suggests the dog does not associate your presence with positive outcomes. Both behaviors can indicate low attachment, lack of socialization, or past negative experiences. Observe whether these cues occur consistently and in multiple contexts to determine their significance. Sign 3. The dog moves away or stiffens when you attempt to pet, pick up, or hug it. Sign 4. The dog seeks attention and proximity from other people while ignoring or walking away from you. Physical avoidance or closing off during touch shows discomfort with your approach or mistrust, and preferring others often reflects an established stronger bond with someone else, or simply more successful positive interactions with that person. These signs can also appear if you use aversive handling or the dog has a medical problem that makes touch painful. Consider where and how the dog chooses to rest, who it solicits for care, and whether rewards from you are insufficient or inconsistent. Sign 5. The dog consistently sleeps or lounges far from you rather than choosing your presence. Sign 6. The dog routinely ignores cues to follow you or refuses to come when called. Selecting separate resting spaces and not following demonstrate a preference for distance and weak social cohesion. Recall and following are social behaviors tied to bond and training. Lack of response may be indifference, low motivation, or lack of reinforcement history. Sign 7. The dog displays sustained tense body language, stiffness, tail tucked, lip licking, yawning, or avoidance postures around you. Sign 8. The dog growls, snaps, or shows warning signals specifically when you approach. Tension signals indicate discomfort and should be respected. Escalation to growling or snapping is usually fear or resource-based and a serious indicator the dog does not feel safe with you. Aggression is a communication tool, not a personality label. If you notice several of these signs, the professional course is to first rule out medical causes with a veterinarian, then rebuild trust with predictable routines, reward-based interactions, gradual desensitization, and enrichment. Consult a qualified force-free trainer or a veterinarian behaviorist for tailored guidance. Patience, consistency, and respecting the dog's boundaries often change these patterns over weeks to months, and professional help can accelerate safe, effective improvements in the relationship.